nuclear weapon is an explosive device that derives its destructive force from nuclear reactions, either fission bomb, or a combination of fission and fusion reactions, thermonuclear bomb, producing a nuclear explosion. Both bomb types release large quantities of energy from relatively small amounts of matter. The development and proliferation of nuclear weapons have raised significant concerns about the potential for catastrophic destruction. The use of these weapons has the potential to cause untold devastation, loss of life, and long-term environmental consequences. As such, there have been widespread efforts to limit the spread of nuclear weapons and promote disarmament among nuclear-armed states. International treaties such as the Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons, NPT, and the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty, CTBT, aim to prevent the further spread of nuclear weapons and promote nuclear disarmament. Additionally, diplomatic efforts and negotiations continue to play a crucial role in addressing the global threat posed by nuclear weapons. J. Robert Oppenheimer was an American theoretical physicist and director of the Manhattan Project's Los Alamos laboratory during World War II. He is often called the father of the atomic bomb. In 1942, Oppenheimer was recruited to work on the Manhattan Project, and in 1943 he was appointed director of the project's Los Alamos laboratory in New Mexico, tasked with developing the first nuclear weapons. His leadership and scientific expertise were instrumental in the project's success. On July 16, 1945, he was present at the first test of the atomic bomb, Trinity. In August 1945, the weapons were used against Japan in the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the only use of nuclear weapons in an armed conflict.
Thank you for watching this video.